Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove background in CapCut PC using the cutout feature. So here I've already imported clips and I want to remove its background. So just click on the clips and then you need to go to cutout feature. Under the video panel in here, click on cutout and then just scroll down. There will be three options: chroma key, customize, and auto cutout. So if you have a portrait video like this with only an object like this, you can easily use the auto cutout by clicking on this to turn on the feature and wait for CapCut PC to process removing the background of the clips. Okay, so after it remove, the background will be changed into a black background like this. And if you want to change the background, you need to go to basic and then scroll down to canvas. So here just click on the drop down in here and choose for example, I want to change the background into a certain color. Just click on the color that you want, and just like that the background will be changed like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on